The Blur airdrop is officially live, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim it. And if you traded NFTs in the last 6 months on platforms such as OpenSea or LooksRare, you're probably eligible. But even if you're not eligible, don't worry, there will be a second airdrop from Blur, and they claim it will be even bigger than the first. And a very quick summary about Blur. It is a new NFT marketplace and aggregator, and it is backed by Paradigm, one of the biggest VC firms in crypto. And Blur is gaining popularity very fast. It already has over 100,000 followers on Twitter. And to check eligibility for the airdrop, we're going to head over to blur.io/airdrop. I will leave a link down below and connect our wallet. And after connecting the wallet, you'll see if you're eligible, and they will receive care packages. Inside of these care packages will be Blur tokens. And if you are eligible, the number of packages you receive will depend on your trading activity over the last 6 months on platforms such as OpenSea, LooksRare, Pseudo, X2Y2, and NFT aggregators. And from the time of making this video, there's about 13 days left to claim these packages. But we won't have access to those tokens until the Blur token goes live in January of 2023. So I'm going to click check your airdrop, and I earned 5 care packages. And in order to see if I got an uncommon, rare, or legendary, I first have to list 1 token on the Blur platform. Then I'll be able to reveal my packages. So I'm going to list to secure the packages. Select 1 NFT, list 1 item, and then there's a lot of customization we can do. We can choose to list it only on Blur or additional marketplaces as well. But for the sake of securing the airdrop, I'm just gonna list it on Blur. And then for the price of this NFT, I'll just select floor price. And here's where things get interesting. You can actually edit the royalty fee. It is optional. You can make it 0 or whatever you want. So I'm actually gonna make it 1%. And you probably are asking, why am I putting it there? Well, you'll find out later on in the video. I'll set the duration for 7 days, list 1 item. Now I can see in the upper right corner, care packages secured. So I'm gonna go ahead and reveal my care packages. And if you're enjoying this airdrop information so far and you want to stay updated for future airdrops, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel with the bell notification. Back to the content. Reveal, let's see what I got. Uncommon, boring. All right, this one is going to be a legendary. I can already feel it. Let's go, legendary. Uncommon again, I'm not that lucky. All right, I'm feeling it, legendary. Uncommon again. All right, here we go. This one is gonna be rare or legendary. I can feel it. Uncommon. All right, last chance, let's go. So not the best luck so far. It does say here tweet for a free care package, so I'm gonna do that. All right, last chance, unrevealed. This time, we're gonna get a rare or a legendary. Uncommon again. But I still feel lucky that I got something, because a lot of people will check this site and they weren't eligible for anything. So let's go ahead and see what you can do if you were not eligible for airdrop number 1. So if you connect your wallet and you are not eligible for airdrop number 1, you can become eligible for airdrop number 2 by listing NFTs on Blur. And depending how many you list and what you list, you will increase your loyalty score and your legendary drop chance. And let's go ahead and take a look at the rules for airdrop number 2. So airdrop number 2 will be for all traders who actively list on Blur through November. So the airdrop number 2, you'll be able to claim in November. And as they mentioned, airdrop 2 will be bigger than airdrop 1. So here is how it works. The more NFTs you list, the more you earn. And if you list blue chips, it helps. And listing more active collection helps as well. They do mention don't try to game the system. For example, don't list an NFT, delist, list, delist, back and forth. It won't help. They will be monitoring for this activity. Also, they mention just continue listing NFTs naturally. This will help you be eligible as well. And also don't forget that you can list on other marketplaces through Blur. So you can still list on OpenSea or LooksRare through Blur. Now here's where things get very interesting. So over the last month, there's been a lot of debate about NFT royalties. There are marketplaces that have removed the royalties, and Blur has done it as well. It's now optional. You can pay 0% royalties, but they are encouraging incentivized royalties. And they stated listers who include royalties will get a larger airdrop than listers who don't. So this is really interesting to see. I wonder if people selling expensive NFTs will go with 0 royalties or list a percentage, because who knows if this airdrop will actually be valuable. It does seem with the hype and interest in this platform, when these tokens are available in January at the very beginning, they will likely have value. After that, I'm not sure. So airdrop 1 can be claimed right now. There's about 13 days left, and airdrop number 2 can be claimed in November, and then the tokens will be available in January. And if you're a fan of airdrops, you want to know about Aptos and their new ecosystem where there may be potential airdrops. So go ahead and watch this video to find out.